Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant gynecologist and infertility and IVF specialist. Often we see that women are taking the medicines for ovulation induction, medicines like letrozole or clomiphene, just to improve the chance of having pregnancy. Now, the question is when to take these medicines. Sometimes we see that women are trying for pregnancy just for 1 month, then they start taking this medicine. This is not the right thing because if you start taking these medicines after having trying for pregnancy only for 1 month, you are at risk of having overtreatment that is requiring unnecessary IUI or IVF. Therefore, you should have tried for pregnancy for at least 4 to 6 months, at least 6 months. If still you can't get pregnant, then you can consider taking these medicines. Secondly, if you are taking these medicines, you have to make sure that your ovaries are okay. That is, you are having sufficient number of eggs inside the ovaries. These medicines will particularly help if you are having PCOS, that is polycystic ovary syndrome. Of course, in other case also it can help, provided that you are having sufficient number of eggs. Number 3, your partner's sperm count should be okay, or your partner's sperm should have minimum problem. If there is severe problem in your partner's sperms, these medicines will not help you to get pregnant. Next, ideally your fallopian tubes should have been checked and this should be okay. But sometimes if we find that there are no other risk factors, then we first start these medicines for 2 to 3 months. Then if still you can't get pregnant, then we check the fallopian tubes. But if we find that both of your fallopian tubes are blocked, then there is no use of taking these medicines. Next, whenever you are taking these medicines, it's important to have regular physical relationship. Therefore, if you can't have regular physical relationship or if you have any sexual problems, these medicines will not help you to get pregnant. And lastly, if you are taking these medicines, it's important to have regular TVS follicular study just to make sure that these medicines are working on your ovaries, that is, these medicines are causing ovulation in your body. Therefore, if you are taking these medicines, letrozole or clomiphene, just make sure that you have tried for pregnancy for at least 6 months, you have no sexual problem, your ovaries are okay, your partner's sperms are okay, or your partner have mild problems in the sperms, or if your fallopian tubes have not been checked, or when it has been checked, at least one fallopian tubes are okay, and you should have the access to have regular TVS follicular study. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further queries, please don't hesitate to contact us through our Facebook page or YouTube channel.